How to transfer money from Citi to Cash App. Transferring money from Citibank, to Cash App is possible, but not by a direct send button. You must link your Citibank account or debit card to Cash App, then add money from the bank to your Cash App balance. Here's the simple step-by-step guide. Link your Citibank account to Cash App, best way. This is the most reliable method. Step 1. Open Cash App. Tap your profile icon, top right. Tap Linked Banks. Step 2. Add your Citibank. Tap Link Bank. Choose Citibank from the list or choose Add manually. Enter your Citi routing number, Citi account number. Cash App may send 2 small test deposits to verify your account. Takes 1 to 3 days. Cash App allows sending money from a linked bank account or debit card once connected. Step 3. Add money from Citi to Cash App. After linking, go to Cash App home screen. Tap Add Cash. Enter amount. Confirm with PIN or Face ID. Money will move from Citi to Cash App balance. Transfer speed. Usually instant or same day. Sometimes 1 to 3 business days for first transfer.